How to recover deleted TikTok messages 2026. You accidentally deleted an important TikTok message and need it back fast. Don't panic. In the next minute and a half, I'm showing you every real option that actually works in 2026. Step 1. Check with the other person first. When you delete a message on your end, it may still be visible on theirs. Ask them to screenshot and send it back to you immediately. This is the fastest solution available. Step 2. Download your TikTok data. Go to your profile, tap the three lines, go to Settings and Privacy, tap Privacy, then download your data and request everything including messages. TikTok will email you a download package containing your full message history, including deleted conversations. Step 3. Check your phone's notification history. On Android, go to Settings, then Notification History. On iPhone, go to Settings, then Notifications, then TikTok. Message previews from before the deletion may still be stored there, giving you back the key content you need. Step 4. If the messages involved something important like a business deal or creator payment, go to Settings, tap Support, then report a problem and contact TikTok directly. Their team can access message records on their end for account-related cases. Pro tip: turn on message notification previews right now so every future message gets logged automatically in your notification history. It works as a passive backup every single day without you doing anything extra. To recap, ask the other person, download your TikTok data, check notification history, and contact support if needed. If this helped, like and subscribe and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.